Indonesia's Bali Island, with its immaculate white sand beaches and breathtaking turquoise blue waters, is regarded as one of the world's most beautiful islands. The island is a popular travel destination for people from all over the world because of its many tourist attractions, which include the rice fields of Tegalalang, Tanah Lot Temple, and Uluwatu Temple. Bali is distinguished not only by its stunning natural surroundings, but also by its distinct culture and extensive history. Numerous historical sites and Hindu and Buddhist temples that represent Bali's ancient heritage are open for exploration by tourists. In addition, tourists can shop at neighborhood markets and the well-known Ubud Market, in addition to enjoying delectable cuisine at both traditional and upscale restaurants. Bali offers tourists from all over the world an amazing travel experience by fusing its natural beauty with its rich culture. Bali provides a wide range of entertainment and adventure activities in addition to the typical tourist activities. On the stunning beaches of the island, visitors can engage in water sports like sailing, diving, and surfing. In addition, they can take hot air balloon rides over the island's picturesque scenery and rice fields. For ultimate relaxation, don't forget to spoil yourself at one of the opulent resorts that provide spa services and beauty treatments. By taking part in regional events and celebrations, Bali also offers chances for cultural exploration. Bali's rich cultural legacy is reflected in the numerous traditional festivals and celebrations held on the island, like Nyepi and Galungan festivals. Attending these events allows visitors to experience regional cuisine, music, dance, and traditional art performances. These gatherings offer a special chance to engage with Bali's populace and learn more about their customs and culture. Additionally, travelers can discover Bali's enchanted surroundings by embarking on exploratory excursions to breathtaking natural waterfalls and rainforests. They can also explore the stunning architecture and extensive histories of these holy locations by traveling to some of the older Bali temples, like Pura Besaki and Tanah Lot Temple. If you're searching for a one-of-a-kind experience, consider scheduling a tour at the Bali Chocolate Factory to learn about the creation of handmade chocolate and sample a variety of delectable chocolates. Bali is a fascinating place, known for its stunning natural surroundings, vibrant culture, and serene atmosphere. Travelers looking for adventure, relaxation, and cultural discovery will find the island to be utterly immersive with its breathtaking scenery, lively customs, and varied culinary options. Bali enchants visitors with its multifaceted allure, making it a must-visit destination for those looking for an unforgettable and enriching travel experience, whether they choose to explore ancient temples, relax on immaculate beaches, or indulge in flavorful cuisine.